Or at least I paid attention to. I may have seen it in that version. I will come down there and shove the entire mechanism up your ass if I hear that one more time. I will go out of this vehicle. I will pop the trunk. I will dismantle the entire horn assembly, its cords, and all the buttons associated with you, up including the battery that powers it, and I will shove the entirety of it up your ass. Motherfucker, we're doing this.
Darn it! It respawned me.
No, hold on a second.
It respawned me.
Oh, I'm gonna have to.
Open Flint's pit.
No god.
What happened?
Let me out. Damn it. Fuck you, I'm out of here. Get that shit. Give me this. Give me the entirety of this thing. Take the entire of this. Battery's mine. Okay, here we go. For all intents and purposes, this is the battery. This is the entire assembly. Lana, it's going up your ass now.
Stop teleporting me back.
Let's go. Okay, get over here. Helicopter, about the helicopter, an entire prostate exam.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Never knew you actually played Ultra Kill. I thought you
Safe.
I thought you just knew about it.
Lana's safe. Lana's safe. Lana's safe. Lana's
When he starts to warn us,
Lana's safe, right?
Hey, open the door.
I thought you were talking! Lana's safe now.
Did somebody say Torah terrors?
Listen, I have basically all of brutal difficulty P rank, so.
Not the Lana. Not the Lana.
Ah, Claire wants in.
Not the Lana.
Enjoy.
Dude,
Claire's
not
gonna have
the Lana.
fun.
No, no, no.
Did you
Not the Lana.